Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to dominate Battlefield in Call of Duty Mobile. Customize your controls for optimal comfort and efficiency, including sensitivity settings. Experiment with different weapons, attachments, and perks to find a loadout that suits your playstyle. Learn the layout of map to anticipate enemy movements and strategic positions. Equip headphones to hear enemy footsteps and gunfire, gaining a tactical advantage. Regularly practice aiming and shooting techniques to improve accuracy and reaction time. Always use cover to protect yourself from enemy fire and minimize exposure. Communicate effectively with teammates using voice chat or chat messages to coordinate strategies. Prioritize objectives like capturing points or securing objectives to contribute to your team's success. Master the use of tactical grenades to disrupt enemies and gain advantage. Reload strategically to avoid being caught empty-handed during crucial moments. Monitor your health and use health packs strategically to stay in the fight longer. Choose score streaks that complement your playstyle and objectives, using them strategically for maximum impact. Experiment with different classes to adapt to different maps and scenarios. Practice movement techniques like strafing, sliding, and jumping to evade enemy fire and improve mobility. Pre-aim around corners and known enemy locations to gain a split-second advantage in gunfights. Play kill confirm mode to confirm kills and deny enemy confirms, contributing to your team's score. Use Gunsmith to customize weapons for specific roles and optimize performance. Analyze your mistakes and learn from defeats to adapt and improve your gameplay. Time score streaks to capitalize on enemy positioning or objectives, maximizing their effectiveness. Be versatile by adapting your playstyle to different game modes and enemy strategies. Control key areas of the map to restrict enemy movement and dominate engagements. Understand spawn points and anticipate enemy response to maintain pressure. Train your reflexes through regular gameplay and exercises to react swiftly in intense situations. And that's how to dominate the battlefield in Call of Duty Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!